When you sell a car in Texas, you want to make sure the title is transferred correctly so you're not stuck with someone else's tickets or toll charges later. The safest way is to go with the buyer to your county tax office and make sure they file the title application on the spot. If you're trading your car into a licensed dealer, you don't have to retitle it in their name, but it may stay in your name until they resell it. To protect yourself, file a vehicle transfer notification online or at the tax office. Do it within 30 days of the sale so you're not held responsible for anything that happens with the car after it leaves your hands. Give the buyer a signed title with the date of sale and the odometer reading. You'll also need to fill out and sign the application for Texas title and/or registration, known as Form 130U, showing the sales price. Keep a copy of everything, including the buyer's contact info, the VIN, and the date of sale, just in case. You can remove your license plates and registration sticker before handing over the car. Plates can be transferred to another vehicle if it's the same type, kept for later use, or permanently defaced before disposal to prevent misuse. That's all it takes. A little paperwork, a couple of signatures, and making sure the state knows the car is no longer yours.